Adidas Backpedals on Black Lives Matter logo dispute. Adidas, the German sportswear company, found itself in hot water when it filed a complaint with the United States Patent and Trademark Office against a Black Lives Matter campaign group's attempt to trademark a logo featuring 3 parallel stripes. The company argued that the foundation's logo was likely to cause confusion with its own 3-stripe logo, which it claimed would dilute the distinctiveness of its brand. However, after facing backlash, Adidas announced on March 29, 2023 that it was dropping its opposition to the trademark application. This move by Adidas highlights the importance of being mindful of the cultural and social implications of business decisions. In this case, Adidas retracted its complaint over fears that it could be seen as an objection to the cause of Black Lives Matter (BLM), which is a decentralized movement that emerged a decade ago on Twitter in protest against police violence toward Black people in the United States. The movement went global in 2020 following the murder of George Floyd. The Black Lives Matter Global Network Foundation is a nonprofit organization that supports the wider BLM movement. Adidas' initial filing of the complaint showed a lack of understanding of the context and significance of the Black Lives Matter movement. The 3-stripe design is iconic to Adidas and has been a symbol of the brand for decades. However, the Black Lives Matter movement has also adopted the 3-stripe design as a symbol of unity and strength in their fight against systemic racism and police brutality. Adidas' opposition to the trademark application could have been interpreted as a direct attack on the movement and its cause. The decision by Adidas to withdraw its opposition to the trademark application is a step in the right direction for the company. It shows that they are listening to the voices of the people and taking a stand against systemic racism. In a time where social justice and equality are at the forefront of global conversations, companies need to be more aware of the impact of their actions and decisions on society. This is not the first time Adidas has faced backlash for its business decisions. Earlier this year, the company faced criticism for being too slow to dump its Yeezy brand, created in partnership with Kanye West, after he made anti-Semitic remarks. When Adidas eventually cut ties with Kanye West, the company stated that it could lead to its first annual operating loss in 31 years. Earlier this month, Adidas announced that it expects to post an operating loss of €700 million ($761 million) in 2023 due to a potential €500 million ($543 million) hit related to unsold Yeezy stock, as well as the cost of a strategic review. These missteps by Adidas highlight the need for companies to prioritize social responsibility and awareness in their decision-making processes. Companies that are not mindful of the impact of their actions on society risk damaging their reputation and losing the support of their customers. In today's socially conscious world, businesses that prioritize social responsibility are more likely to succeed in the long run. In conclusion, Adidas' decision to drop its opposition to the Black Lives Matter campaign group's trademark application is a positive step in the right direction. It shows that the company is willing to listen to the voices of the people and take a stand against systemic racism. However, it is important for Adidas to learn from its mistakes and prioritize social responsibility in all its future business decisions. By doing so, Adidas can build a positive reputation and contribute to a more socially conscious and equitable world.